Okay, this is an example of a quote like you would see in the Wall Street Journal. For this is for Gap. They are Gap Incorporated. So the if we go across the page here, the Gap has been as high as $35.68 in the past year. The last 52 weeks. The Gap has been as low as $21.02 in the past year. This symbol, look, this is the ticker for Gap GPS dividend. Uh, Gap pays a dividend of 92 cents. This would be the annualized value. It could probably a good chance that it's quarterly, may not be. It just depends. Um, the this is the yield is given the current price, so we divide the 92 cents by the current price. So I believe that would be based on the close. So the PE, again, based on the current price, we take our earnings and divide them. Take the price and divide them by earnings per share. Volume, this is in hundreds, so this is 8,829,800 shares traded, and last day's trading. Close is the closing price. The new and it's up. That was up 31.61 is up 45 cents from yesterday's trading, and that is actually the end of chapter 9.